Dear student, now I give lecture on bus bar arrangement schemes in substation. Three different types of bus bar arrangement used in substation. First one is single bus bar system. Second one single bus bar system with sectionalization. Third one duplicate bus bar system. And then single line diagram of substation also we have to study about this in this lecture videos. First one, bus bar arrangement scheme in substation. First introduction. How can arrange the bus bar in the substation? The bus bar are the important component in the substation. Several bus bar arrangement schemes used in the substations. The choice of particular arrangement depends upon the various factors. That is system voltage, position of substation, degree of reliability, cost, etc. You can consider these parameters, then you can choose any type of bus bar arrangement in the substation. The following important bus bar arrangement, I already told you, three types only. One is single bus bar system. Second one is single bus bar system with sectionalization. Third one, duplicate bus bar system. Now we detailed studied about the single bus bar system. This is the layout of single bus bar system only. So in this case, bus bar is there 11 kV, and then OCB means is the oil circuit breaker, CT means current transformer, the incoming line is 11 kV, PT means potential transformer, the transformer is 11 kV bar 400 volt, that is a step down transformer, outgoing line is 400. This is the 11 kV for 400 volt substation. I take the example for the single bus bar system. How to arrange and all. This is the layout diagram. Isolator is there. All the symbol you should know. Based on that you have to draw the layout of the single bus bar system. Now single bus bar system means what? It consists of single bus bar only. That's why the name single bus bar system only. All the incoming and outgoing lines are connected to it. Now you see the diagram and all. This is the incoming, this is the outgoing, both are connected into the bus only. The indoor 11 kV substation uses single bus bar arrangements only. That is, I told you 11 kV bar 400 volt. There are two 11 kV incoming lines is there. You can see the circuit diagram, two 11 kV. The incoming line, that is the 11 kV one is there. Here one incoming line, right hand side one incoming line 11 kV, and then left hand side incoming line. So therefore two 11 kV incoming lines connected to the bus bar through the circuit breakers and isolators. Similarly, two 400 volt outgoing lines are connected to the bus bar through transformers, that is step down transformer 11 kV bar 400 volt and circuit breaker. Now you see the circuit diagram and all. 11 kV line is step down transformer to 400 volt. So two outgoing line, left hand side one outgoing line 400 outgoing line is there, right hand side outgoing line 400 volt is there. Both that means 11 kV step down by 400 volt. We are using the step down transformer. So through what? Circuit breaker and isolator. And then what is the advantages of this single bus bar system? First one is low initial cost, less maintenance and simple operation only. What is the disadvantages of this single bus bar system? So if any repair is to be done on this bus bar or fault occurs on the bus, there is a complete interruption of power supply. And because only single bus only we have to use it, any problem occurs on the bus, that means the complete interruption of the supply. That means the supply should be interrupted. This arrangement is not used for voltages exceeding 33 kV. So above 33 kV we never choose single bus bar system arrangement in the substation. Then second type, single bus bar system with sectionalization. In this case, you can see the input is 33 kV, then the output is that is the 11 kV. So that is 33 bar 11 kV, that means a substation only. So in this case what we have to use and all is sectionalization. You have to sectionize that one and all. So you see here also isolator, oil circuit breaker, current transformer is there. Incoming line is 33 kV, outgoing line is 11 kV. So two incoming line 33 kV is there, two outgoing line 11 kV is there. LA means lightning arrest, which is used to protect the substation equipment from voltage surges, lightning thunder like this. Okay, so now you can study the single bus bar system with the sectionalization. So the single bus bar system, that means is divided into two sections. Already we studied about the single bus bar system. That system is divided into sections. You see here, see the diagram and all. So the right hand side, that means one incoming line, one outgoing line. The left hand side, one incoming line, one outgoing line. In between what is there? Two isolator is there, one oil circuit breaker is there, one current transformer symbol. Then we can filament that like that, that is the current transformer, and then isolator symbol also is there, and then circuit breaker only. So the single bus bar system is divided into two sections, that is only called as the single bus bar system with sectionalization only. So any two sections of the bus bar are connected by the circuit breaker and isolator only. And then already I told 233 kV incoming line is there, and then 11 kV outgoing lines also 2 is there. Here we are using, that means step down transformer, 33 bar 11 kV step down transformer we are using in this bus bar arrangement. In this case, in the each bus section behave as a separate bus bar. That's why this is called as a single bus bar system with sectionalization. Here what is the advantages means, if any problem or fault occurs on the bus means what happened and all, one section can be isolated without affecting the supply from the other section. This is the advantages. Even maintenance also is very easy, and then this arrangement is used for up to 33 kV only. Then third type is duplicate bus bar system. Duplicate bus bar system. Now you see this diagram, duplicate bus bar system and all. One incoming circuit, one outgoing circuit, spare bus is there. Why this is called as a duplicate bus bar system? We are using two buses. One is main bus, another one is spare bus. That's why this is called as a duplicate bus bar system. So now you can theory and all. Then this system, that means the duplicate bus bar system consists of two bar. One is main bar, another is a spare bus bar. Each bus bar have the capacity to take up the entire substation load only. The incoming and outgoing lines connected to either bus bar with the help of bus bar coupler, which consists of a circuit breaker and isolator. Now you see the diagram and all. The bus bar, that means the main bus and then the spare bus, both are, that means bus coupler. The dotted line is there, no square, that means the square box of the dotted line, that is only called as the bus coupler. So therefore here we are using the bus coupler. So why we have to use the bus coupler? That means the incoming and the outgoing lines can be connected to either bus bar with the help of bus bar coupler, which consists of a circuit breaker and isolator. And then the incoming and outgoing lines remain connected to the main bus bar also. Here 266 kV incoming lines can be connected to either bus bar by the bus bar coupler only. Now you see the diagram and all. 66 kV top under 2 kV line. Bus 1 also 660 kV. Bus 2 also 66 kV. Here we are using the step down transformer 66 bar 11 kV. Then finally you can 11 kV can get the circuit under incoming circuit and outgoing circuit. Two circuit is there. Here in this case, what is the disadvantages is there? Mean if any problem occurs in the main bus bar, that means the continuity of the supply to the circuit can be maintained by the transforming it to the spare bus bar only. For voltages exceeding, that means 33 kV, the duplicate bus bar system is frequently used only. This is the next one is a single line diagram of 66 kV outdoor substation only. So you can see the diagram of 66 kV bar 11 kV outdoor substation. See that this is a single line diagram. I am taking the outdoor. Outdoor means what? Up to, that means 66 kV, that is the outdoor substation. So that's why this is called as a single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV. That the incoming is 66, the outgoing is 11 kV only. The single line diagram you can see PT potential transformer is there, isolator is there, that is 66 kV incoming 1, 66 kV incoming 2 is there, bus coupler also we have to using and all, 266 kV bus 1, bus 2, potential transformer 11 kV bus you can use. Then the circuit breaker and all, 66 kV circuit breaker also you have to use, isolator and all what is there. So you can draw this diagram and all. So you can do the theory and all. You know, we studied about the theory of single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV substation. Okay. There are two 66 kV incoming lines, that is incoming one, incoming already we saw in the circuit diagram. Okay, therefore this arrangement is called the double circuit only. Each incoming line is capable of supplying the rated substation load only. Both these lines can be loaded simultaneously to share the substation load only. The double circuit arrangement increases the reliability of the system only. That's why we are using double circuit. This is the advantages of this double circuit used in the substation. The substation has a duplicate bus bar system, one main bar, another one is spare bus bar also is there. So here what type of bus arrangement we are using? Duplicate bus bar system only we have to use and all. Then here 66 kV double circuit supply is there. So here step down transformer we are using, 66 kV step down by 11 kV by using 3 phase step down transformer. Each transformer supplying a separate bus bar only. And then next 11 kV outgoing is there. The 11 kV outgoing only feed to the distribution substations. This distribution substations located near the consumer only. Both incoming and outgoing lines are connected through circuit breaker having isolator on either only. So either end, either end we have to use, that means you can use this one and all. So now and all here that means what is the advantages of this, that means outdoor substation and all, double circuit we have to use, and then duplicate bus bar system. Any bus you can, main bus problem we can use spare bus problem you can use the main bus only. Then next 11 kV bar 400 volt indoor substation. I take the example of a single line diagram of a substation. You can take any range of substation you have to take. I am taking one indoor example, another one is outdoor. Why this substation is called a indoor? We already known 11 up to 11 kV is nothing but a indoor substation only. So the indoor substation you see here and all, consumer left and right hand side both also consumer is there. 400 OCB means oil circuit breaker. Current transformer range left hand side 200:5. That means the 200 amps convert, that means reduced to 5 amps. Then sender bus bar 400 and all 1200 bar 5 means the current transformer, that means the primary is 1200 amps, then the secondary is 5 amps. Then which seat you get? 50:5 means 50 is the primary, 5 is the secondary only. So like that here and all, what the 11 kV bar 400 volt step down transformer also using a 400 volt bus bar 11 kV line. And then here one more is cable box, underground cable, GO switch we can use. What is the abbreviation of GO? Means Kang operated switch. So here what is the use of the Kang operated switch? Consists of what? That means isolators connected in each phase. Now you see the circuit diagram and all, isolator is connected, that means each phase, that is the Kang operated switch, that is abbreviation is GO switch only. from the GO switch only 11 kV line is brought to the indoor substation as a underground cable. Now you see the diagram and all, 11 kV line, then GO switch, then cable box, then underground cable, then we are 11 kV, OCB means oil circuit breaker, then the current step down 50 to 5, again that means the 11 kV voltage is stepped down by 400 volt by using step down transformer, then again come to main oil circuit breaker, again the current that means 1200 amps, that reduced to 5 amps only, then next finally we are getting the 400 volt at bus only. So this is the 11 kV bar 400 volt indoor substation only. Whatever diagram and all, you can see the diagram, you know the symbol, how to represent circuit breaker, isolator, current transformer, everything we already studied about the symbol, function, everything we studied in the substation equipments. Okay, so now from this lecture video you understood, that means what is the bus bar arrangement, the 3 bus bar arrangement, single bus bar arrangement, single bus bar with sexualization, then duplicate bus bar arrangement. Single bus means only one bus. Okay, then single bus bar with sexualization, the single bus bar that means divided into 2 sections, so that is called as a single bus bar with sexualization only. The duplicate bus bar means main bus bar and the spare bus bar, we are using the bus coupler we have to use. Another one is single line diagram. I am taking the 2 example. One is outdoor substation, another one is indoor substation. Outdoor substation 66 kV stepped down by 11 kV. Indoor substation 11 kV is stepped down by 400 volt. Okay, students, from this lecture video you clearly understood the concept of bus arrangement in the substation and the need everything, and then how to draw the single line diagram, then how to, that means explain the single line diagram, functions, everything. Thank you students for watching this video.